All right, my 73 Honda CB350. I'm replacing the rectifier with one I bought from Common Motor Collective. They tell you about wiring, but they don't tell you the location of the regulator. The regulator is actually underneath the battery behind the air cleaner boxes. So you have to take the air cleaner boxes off. The original rectifier on mine, this style, was sitting right here next to the battery. You do get to reuse the plug. Just match up red for color because the clip does not clip in. So I put a little slash mark on there so I'd go color for color. Then I was like, okay, where am I going to put it? So I pulled this black wire out because they want this black wire onto the black wire where the regulator pulled out. So it actually, if you pull it out of that little wire loom fitting, fits kind of nicely right there, which I will put a bolt right there later. Then on the other side, when it's coming down, it actually will reach the original wire connector that the regulator was plugged into. So I hope this helps anyone doing this.